Right, we're live. Hello everyone. I just want to introduce myself, and I thought I'd go live because what better way to do this? So I am Michael Coates, and I am the founder and creator of a website called thesewingguru.com, and it is a sewing learning website. And I just wanted to come on here and say hi, but also I want to offer everyone a free membership. So I want to show you how to do that in a moment, because what we're going to do is going to go live on the screen and then show you how to do that. Now, there is a link in the description of this video to get there straight away, and it will take you to that link where you can get a free membership. Now, there is another way around it as well. So what you need to do, what we'll do is we're just going to go live on the internet now and show you how to do this. So as you can see, this here is the website, thesewingguru.com. So if you just type that into Google, it comes up, and here it is. This is the home page. And as you can see here, it says free membership. Now, if I click here, you can see this website works on all devices. Can you see it just basically shrinks down, and it works on all devices, so it's fantastic. So all you need to do is click free membership at the top of the page there, and you will come across this sign up form here. You put your email address in, your first name, and then you click sign up, and it is a double opt-in form. So what that means is that you sign up, you then have to verify your email, and as soon as you verified your email, you will then be taken to a link where you can then create a membership, and you will get a free membership. So it's a double opt-in form for you to do that. So when you've done that, what happens is you will then get your login details, and you will have access to all of this here, which is the free section of the Sewing Guru. And there's a lot here as well. It really is. And it's all 100% free. So it's worth really just signing up just to have a look what we've got to offer. And I just wanted to just do that and show you guys, because it's just what of a better way to introduce myself, and yeah, just to say hi, and so that you get to know me and all of that. And what you doing, Ollie? Are you, this is my son now. He's just skulking around my office. What you doing? Are you going to come and say hello, Ollie?
I was just crying.
He's been at school today.
I was just crying on the
Right.
floor.
Do you want to come and say hello, Ollie?
I was just...
Come and say hello to everybody here. Here he is. This is Ollie, and he's my son, and he's been to school. And whenever I go live, he loves to just come in and say hi to everyone else. So you're going to say hi to Ollie to everybody. There we go. He's saying hi.
I think Mummy's back.
Oh, is she back? Is she?
Yeah.
Has she been for a walk? Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll go and speak to Mummy.
Are you going to go and speak to Mummy? All
Yeah,
right. You
and
go
then
and speak
I'll
to
be
Mummy.
back in white.
Right. So that was Ollie, and he helped me with the live streams and everything else. But like I said, I just wanted to come on and say hi, and you know what better way to do that. So thanks very much for watching, and yeah, just go for the free membership. It doesn't cost anything. It's 100% free, and you then can get a 100% free membership of thesewingguru.com. So thanks so much for watching. Sign up and have a look. And I will see you again soon. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.